In this video, I'll show you how to play Call of Duty Black Ops 7 Zombies in split screen mode. So all you have to do is launch the game and then select the zombie mode and you should get to this section. And then from here, you should see this prompt, add a controller or keyboard and mouse for split screen. So I'll just add another controller. So let me just power it on. And then choose the profile that you'd like to assign to that particular controller. And then once it has been added, you should see player 2, press the X button to join split screen. So I'll just press that on the other controller. Now you can see that particular player has been added, and now you are two of us. You are two people. So once you're done, simply select a match that you'd like to play. So I'll just select a standard one, and then I can select play in a squad, and then choose the option that you prefer, and then select ready up. So once I've done that, give it a few seconds for it to search for players who we can play with. So give it a few seconds. Now once the game has loaded, you can now play split screen mode in the Call of Duty Black Ops 7 Zombies. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.